Hi Libra, let's do you versus them. So let's see that what is your person thinking and feeling for you, and what are you thinking and feeling for your person. This is not just about separation. Even if you're married or you are not talking to your partner, then also this applies to you. So let's first see that what is your person thinking and feeling for you. If you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also to follow my Instagram page, The North Tarot. And please note, this is a general reading, may or may not resonate to all the Librans. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Check your readings from Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Let's see that what is your person thinking and feeling for you. Last shuffle. Two of Cups. Knight of Wands. Okay. Two very different energies. Page of Swords. And the overall energy is Six of Wands. Okay, got it. Understood. Now let's see that what are you thinking and feeling for your person, Librans. If you still are not clear with your situation after this general reading, you can always book a personal reading with me, Librans. The link is always in the description box below. Now let's see that what are you thinking and feeling for your person. Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords. Okay, and the overall energy is Eight of Wands. Alright, so Librans, let's first understand your person's side and then I'll come on to your side. This person, I see that this person was really enjoying your company. This person was really enjoying the times that you both have had, and right now they are also remembering those times and whatever was happening in your situation, in your relationship. What happened here was that it's a very confusing kind of energy of this person, because I see that this person was enjoying. They were like going with the flow, and they were like, let's see where this goes and whatnot. And this is a very player kind of energy, by the way. So maybe you were dealing with a player, but over a period of time, they fell in love with you. You believe it or not, but they actually fell in love with you. Maybe they also did not realize that they've fallen for you. And what happened here, that things were moving very slowly. Things were moving slowly but progressing. Now see, what happens is that if there is a committed person, what their expectation would be in a relationship, that okay, we are in a relationship now, we need to plan for a marriage or a proposal or for the next thing and next thing, so on and so forth. That's the progress for a committed person. But when you're dealing with a player and a player falls in love, the progress is not how a committed person sees that. That's what I'm picking here. How this person saw the progress was that, okay, earlier I was like, okay, we are having a good time, we are having a gala time, let's go with the flow, I enjoy the company of my person, Libran, and like you. And then slowly when they fell for you, they were taking steps forward, they were getting serious here, but it was not enough for you. You thought that this is a non-committal person, and this person was non-committal. There is no doubt about it. This is a very tricky energy. But this person actually started to fall for you, and this person still is in love with you. So when they started to progress, it was like getting a little bit serious day by day. And you had already somehow seen the dreams of getting married and having babies and all of that. Like for example, you know, there is this couple that I know, and the girl has always had these issues in relationship, that nobody loves me and all of that kind of a thing. So what she does is that whenever there is a festival or there is some like Valentine's Day or something, she will wait for some time and then she'll call her husband that are you planning something for me or not, are you doing something for me or not. And even for her birthday she will do that are you doing something for me or not. And the husband is like that, I was already planning for a surprise, you have to wait. Now the surprise is ruined because you got angry or you got impatient, and now I have to tell you that yes, I was planning. And now even if I do something for you, you would be like that, oh, I told you, that is why you are doing this. You're getting it? So two people loving each other, but both of you were on different pages. I don't know if you're getting this or not. If you're getting it, please do comment down below, because I'm trying my best to explain this energy, because this is the tricky energy. This person did fall in love with you. They never had those kinds of feeling for anybody before this. They were always in and out kind of a person. But when they started falling for you, for their progress meant very baby steps. Very baby steps. And for you, it was like, why is this person not doing this? When will this person do this? Maybe this person doesn't love me. And this person was like, everything is fine now. What is the problem? Like, we are progressing. Where are we going wrong? What is the problem? I'm not understanding. Maybe you tried to explain also, but this person was like, I am doing my best. We are progressing. I have no plans to break up also, or like. And maybe on your side you were like, no, you've always been that player kind of a person. You want other people, you like other people, you don't want me. And then maybe you got into set out. Now let's see that what is going on your side. On your side, you are very, very like sad by the separation. You have not moved on, and you have no plans to move on also. And you're not happy with this person. You're not happy without this person. You're like, this is my life. And you have these regrets also from the situation. And I think you took a very harsh step to cut this person off, and you are still standing by that feeling that I have cut this person off, this person did not deserve me, and all of that. But you have a lot of emotions for this person. I don't know whom are you trying to fool. This person also knows that you love them. You also know you love them. Everybody basically knows that you love them. So whom are you trying to like show this to, that you have cut off, when you still can't move on? And you have no plans of moving on also. In fact, you want to communicate with this person. And let me tell you, Librans, I see that you will be the first ones to, I think, initiate the communication here, as per the energies that I'm picking up here. Because this person is unable to understand, and this person is already a slow moving person. So even if this person comes back to you, I don't know when will you guys communicate, because you already have become really impatient. I think you will be the first one to approach. If you're the first one to approach, the advice that I'll give you is that be polite and be patient, be open to how the communication goes. Sometimes we need to respect other people's speed, you know. And see, this is how tarot readings work. I am not here to butter you up. If I'm seeing your energy is more at fault, I will tell you that. And I am not going to say that the other person is wrong until or unless I don't see that. Let's see that what are the mutual intentions of you both for each other. What are the mutual intentions of Librans and their person for each other currently? Five of Pentacles. You feel they left you, and they feel you left them. A Nine of Cups. You both are each other's wish fulfillment. I don't know why are you guys separate also. Let's see that if they are about to take any action towards you, if any. Although I don't think so, but still. So is Libran. Okay, one card just flew out. Four of Swords. See, they're resting. They're healing from the separation only. They don't even know what wrong did they do. Five of Wands. Magician. See, Librans, they are manifesting you very heavily. Okay, they are manifesting you really heavily here. They're manifesting you really heavily, but they are conflicted in their own minds that what wrong did I do? I don't understand still. Even if you have explained that to this person does not understand what wrong did they do. And they are just healing from the situation. They are trying to understand, and I don't even think so that now they're trying to even understand. I think they're just resting now. They're healing from this pain or this separation, because they, for the first time, they felt like these feelings for somebody, and then like you guys got separated, and they are trying to make sense of it, and nothing makes sense to them. And also they think that maybe you're dealing with other people, or there is a lot of competition, or maybe you have said this to them, that what do you think, that I don't have options and all of that. If you've said that, then this person already is scared with that also, that okay, my living has other people, and there is a competition, I have to improve myself and this and that. I don't know, this person is under pressure, but now this person is like this person is under pressure, and this person is so much under pressure that they are not even doing anything now. They are so tired of being under pressure only, so they are like resting now. So that's your reading, Librans. I don't know if it resonated with you. If it did, please do comment down below. And that's it. Take care. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.